Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic from Costco costs about $3.30 a quart. And before you write that off as a warehouse house brand not worth putting in a truck you care about, you need to know who actually makes it and what certification it earned. If you've got a Costco membership and you change your own oil, what I'm about to tell you could save you $45 a year without costing your engine a thing. I'm going to run Kirkland against Mobil 1 in 4 head-to-head categories and tell you whether the warehouse deal is real or whether you're getting exactly what you pay for. Let me start with what you're actually buying in that oversized Costco bottle. Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic is produced by Warren Distribution, a large commercial oil blender based in the United States that produces finished lubricants for multiple major retail brands, including the SuperTech line that Walmart sells. Warren uses Group 3 and Group 3 Plus synthetic base oils. The Kirkland product carries the API SP certification and meets the ILSAC GF6A standard, the same certifications you'll find on Mobil 1 Full Synthetic. To earn API SP certification, an oil has to pass a battery of standardized engine sequence tests. Kirkland passed those same tests. The 12-quart bottle at Costco runs about $40, which works out to about $3.33 per quart. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic runs about $6 to $7 per quart at Walmart. For a 5-quart oil change, you're paying about $17 in Kirkland oil versus $30 to $35 in Mobil 1. That's a $13 to $18 difference per change. Round 1 is wear protection. Both Kirkland Full Synthetic and Mobil 1 Full Synthetic carry API SP certification, meaning both have passed the ASTM engine sequence tests for wear protection under standardized conditions. The wear protection floor established by API SP is the same for both oils. Where Mobil 1 differentiates itself is in the depth and quality of its anti-wear additive package, beyond the minimum certification requirements. Mobil 1's ZDDP anti-wear chemistry, molybdenum compounds, and additive quality have been refined over 4 decades. In engines subjected to severe use, sustained towing, performance applications, high heat climates, Mobil 1's additive depth provides a measurable cushion above the certification floor. Under normal everyday driving conditions for the average truck owner doing 50/50 highway and city miles, Kirkland's certified wear protection is adequate. For severe use, Mobil 1 has an edge. Mobil 1 takes round 1. Score: Mobil 1 1, Kirkland 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility around 8 to 9%. Kirkland Full Synthetic 5W30's NOAC volatility in independent testing typically runs 9 to 13%. In plain English, Mobil 1 burns off less oil at high temperatures, retaining more of its protective oil mass in your engine under sustained heat load. If you're driving a Ram 1500 towing a fifth wheel through the desert Southwest in August, that gap matters. For a truck owner doing regular highway driving without severe towing demands, the real-world impact of that volatility difference is small but present. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Mobil 1 2, Kirkland 0. Now here's where it gets interesting, because the math in the next 2 rounds changes the conversation entirely. Round 3 is cold weather performance. In 5W30 formulation, both Kirkland and Mobil 1 carry similar cold start performance credentials. Their pour points in this grade are both in the -40 to -42 degrees Celsius range. In real-world cold starts across most American climates, including the northern states where winter means serious cold, Both oils flow quickly enough to protect your engine in those critical first seconds after startup. For the temperature ranges 90% of American truck owners deal with, the cold start performance gap between these two oils is not meaningful. Kirkland takes round 3 on practical cold weather value. Same real-world protection, $15 less per change. Score: Mobil 1-2, Kirkland 1. Round 4 is oil life and overall value. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is rated for up to 10,000 miles. Kirkland's certified interval is comparable for normal service conditions. The value calculation here is where the conversation gets real. If you change your oil 3 times a year and you switch from Mobil 1 to Kirkland, you save between $39 and $54 annually. Over 5 years, that's between $195 and $270 in your pocket. And here's the practical reality for Costco shoppers. Buying a 12-quart bottle means you always have oil on hand for 2 full oil changes, which makes it easier to stay on your change schedule. And staying on schedule is the most important engine protection habit of all. Kirkland takes round 4. Final score: Mobil 1-2, Kirkland 2. Here's my verdict. A 2-2 tie means I have to make a judgment call. And here's where I land. For the average guy driving a Silverado, a Ram, or an F-150 as a daily driver with normal towing demands and a proper 5,000-mile change schedule, Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic will protect your engine. The API SP certification is real. The oil is legitimate. I would not hesitate to use it in a truck I cared about if the engine is not under severe duty. Go to Costco, grab the 12-quart bottle of Kirkland Full Synthetic in your owner's manual specified viscosity, usually 5W30 or 5W20 for most American truck engines, for about $40. That's enough oil for 2 full oil changes. For guys who tow heavy, live in extreme heat climates, or run their trucks under genuine severe service, step up to Mobil 1 or Pennzoil Platinum. The deeper additive package and lower volatility numbers earn their price in worst-case conditions. For the everyday driver, Kirkland is the real deal at a fraction of the price. Everything I talked about today, the Kirkland details, where to find it, and the Mobil 1 comparison, I've linked in the description below so you have what you need on your next Costco run. Next time, I'm telling you why, after 35 years, I changed my default oil recommendation, and it has nothing to do with Mobil 1's quality going down. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.